this?
It's your major present, so if you want it, then you gotta dig through there.
I'm not gonna dig through there.
Open it. Open it.
There's cat litter in
Just
there.
open it. Let's see if it.
Oh, just do it, Tucker. Get it over with. No, Sydney. Tucker has to do it.
Then do it. If he's gonna do it.
Tucker.
Yes, it is!
Mom, I gotta zoom some pet first.
Tucker.
Mommy, can I get it? Daddy, Mommy, can I get it? Cole, I gotta read it.
Bag out of the box.
Tucker, I got
What's that in there?
That's
Huh?
nothing. You gotta go in there.
You gotta dig in there.
Would you please stop
It's
acting
filled
like
with
you're
litter and poo!
No, just think smell it.
See, look, there's litter and poo in it.
Oh,
I
just
can't even see.
stick your hand in there and go for it.
Alright, you know what? That's fine. I'll take it. See, I told you it wasn't under. Now
No.
get it.
Just, Tucker, that's your major present, so if you want it, you gotta dig in there.
I'll take it. 1,
No!
2. If your hands.
You didn't really see poop in there.
Yes!
Come on.
That you're lying. I see you smiling.
No.
You really, really
No,
want
I
it.
don't.
I promise.
Poo.
I promise.
If you
I'll
tell
be very happy if you just find it.
Mommy, if you tell Mommy, if you tell my lips, then
I can't do it.
Just do it and get it over
Just
with.
tell me what it is and I'll do it.
No.
I can tell you.
You gotta find it.
at the PS3 store. It's there.
No,
It's
it's not.
That's fine. Start cleaning up.
It's a
Get garbage.
scavenger
You don't
hunt.
care.
Can I do it?
No.
Why?
No.
I'm gonna get it with that.
no.
No.
But that's poo. You're doing that to trick me. I know it.
It isn't.
Just,
Yes.
Biggest president.
huh?
I'm not gonna dig and poo. No.
Come on, Tucker. Tucker. Hurry up. Come open the present.
No.
Stop hiding behind the door and come
I'm
do
not
it.
gonna dig and poo.
2.
Come on, Tucker. Dig in there.
Can I do it?
Just get it over with. Get your present out of there. Come on. You know you want it.
You guys are lying. I know there's nothing in there.
There
Go
is
ahead.
stuff in there.
Go ahead, but then Tucker's not gonna get it. Go ahead.
I know there's nothing in there.
Go ahead, Sydney. Tucker won't get it.
No, I can let me do it.
Clover finds.
There's nothing even in there. You liar.
Yes, there is.
You liars. What the freak? Why'd you lie?
Did you go?
Yeah, it's